buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand. Hi and welcome to the channel. Firstly, let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the C major, composed of the C, the E, and the G, with the bass note of C. Then you will have the A minor, composed of the C, the E, and the A, and with the bass note of A. Then you will have the D minor, composed of the D, the F, and the A, with the bass note of D. Then G major, composed of the D, the G, and the B, and the bass note of G. And final chord, the E major, composed of the E, the G sharp, and the B, with the bass note of E. As usual, feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song so that you have an even better understanding of the chords. Since this song doesn't really have an introduction, let's begin by the verse. And here's the corresponding table. So take the first chord, A minor, and simply play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then play the D minor the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4. G major, 1, 2, 3, 4, and C major, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the whole table would go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now with the lyrics: we were good, we were gold, kind of dream that can't be sold. And you simply repeat the table once more with the next lyrics. So play the table 2 times in total. And by the way, here I'm only singing excerpts because you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. So after that, you will reach the pre-chorus and you're gonna have this new table. So it would go like this. I didn't wanna leave you, I didn't wanna lie. Started to cry, but then remembered I. Chorus. And for this section, we will have a new table, but we'll be keeping the same method. So repeat the first section 3 times and then play the second section once. I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand. And you just repeat that first section 2 more times, so 3 times in total. And when you reach the sentence, yeah, I can love me better than you can, well, you will play the second section. Yeah, I can love me better than you can. And for the can love me baby, I can love me better baby, just replay the first section of the table one last time. Okay, so now in order to play the rest of the song, you will simply need to replay everything you played from the first verse, and it's gonna be a copy-paste of what you just did. I wish you good luck and I'll see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care, bye.